So let's start by draining the oil. Hi, good morning. This is your Lolo Groovy and I'm back. Today I'm going to change the engine oil and the filter of our 2020 Kia Soul. I'm going to rotate the tires and also inspect the brake. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and push the notification bell so you can be updated on all my new videos. Sit tight and enjoy watching. Let's start by removing the engine oil dipstick. Raise the driver's side of the vehicle and use a jack stand for support. Loosen the drain plug. Place an oil pan under the vehicle and remove the drain plug. To avoid leaks, always replace your drain plug washers. After fully draining the oil, install the drain plug. Hand tighten the drain plug. Loosen the oil filter and let the oil drain out. Place a zip bag on the oil filter to prevent the oil from spilling. Properly discard the used oil and oil filter. Before installing the filter, place a thin layer of oil on the rubber seal. Clean the filter housing. Install the new oil filter. Remove the jack and the jack stand. Use the correct oil viscosity for your vehicle. Insert a panel in the oil filler and pour the oil slowly. Always check the dipstick for the correct oil level. The level of the oil should be just below the fill marks. Clean the cap before installing. We've finished changing the oil and now let's do the tire rotation and brake inspection. Remove the front driver's side tire. After removing the tire, check the thickness of the brake pads. Inspect the caliper and check for leaks. Also check all the suspension components for wear and tear. Apply grease to the brake slide clip if necessary. Let's now go to the rear driver's side of the car. Check the bearing and suspension before removing the tire. Move the front driver's side tire to the rear driver's side, as indicated in the rotation diagram in the upper left corner of your screen. Let's now work on the front passenger side of the vehicle. Move the rear driver's side tire to the front passenger side. Let's now go to the rear passenger side. Move the front passenger tire to the rear passenger side. And finally, move the rear passenger tire to the front driver's side. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Torque the lug nuts into specification found in the driver's manual. Tighten the lug nuts using a crisscross pattern, as illustrated in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. And there you are, we finished with another video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you can be updated on all my new videos. Thank you so much again, and God bless everybody. Have a good one.